Hello, my friends. It is add-on time, and let me just tell you, I am here to knock your socks off. Are you ready? Get set. Let's go. Before I show you this one, I'm going to jump in and show you our add-on stamps and dies for our beautiful butterflies. Here we go. This is Eyelet butterflies, and you might say, that looks really similar to the other one. Oh, no, 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 no. Look at this, my friends. It is different. This is monarch butterflies, and this is what I'm calling eyelet butterflies because they are a little different. And you know what? You cannot have just one kind of butterfly, right? Because that would be kind of weird. No, we need more. So these are very similar, but very, very different. Now, also, of course, there are dies that match. And again, I did the same thing as I did with the last ones, is I gave you the beautiful, intricate inside die and just the outline die and the shadow die. So you don't have to pay more. I'm paying more. You're not paying more. But I wanted you to have those. Now there's some fun words on here. Sending you butterfly vibes to brighten your day. Life is a journey. Enjoy the flight. Your kindness flutters in my heart. Spread your wings and soar. And then the words for you. Nice, right? Moving on. More words because you know what? I can just never stop. I just keep going and going. So turning a year older never looks so good. Let your inner butterfly shine. Fly high and dream big. Happy birthday. Sending you butterfly kisses. Butterflies remind us of God's beautiful creations and the beauty in our own lives. You make life beautiful, and butterflies are a reminder that change can be beautiful. And it's in a beautiful, beautiful font too, so it's really nice. Now, thinking of butterflies, thinking of dreaming and being shining and just you know, inspirational. We have a background die, and I want to show you what it really looks like because it doesn't make sense when I show you the real, oh here, this one's good. It doesn't make sense when I show you the die because this is what it looks like, and it looks like nothing, right? Look at it the right way. Dream big, shine bright, and sparkle more. Perfect for our butterflies, right? Isn't that beautiful? Here's another one with different look. It's a different style. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. But that is a card front. You literally cut this out. You can use the negative, meaning you could use just the blue with a different color in the back, and you don't have to piece everything together. It's all cut for you. It's fantastic, right? Now, another background die. And this one, if you are a fan of our Newport flower, which I know a lot of you are, we have it in different versions. We now have it in a background die. What does that mean? Well, let me show you. Oh, I know. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that gorgeous cut with our butterflies on top. Here's another version, another color set of it. Look at how beautiful that is. That Newport flower is in that design, and it is so beautiful. And I have a lot more. Oh, here, let me show you this one. Look at how gorgeous it is. Decorate the background, die cut this, and put it on top, and you're going to change the world, right? When you send this to someone, they're going to say, what in the world? And you can kind of tell them a little fib for 5 seconds and say that you hand cut it. I'm just kidding, you can't. It's too amazing. Now, last but not least, and don't worry, my friends, look at the stack of samples I have to share with you. I'm talking, we went crazy. We all love our gatefold cards. We have the house, we have the heart. Well, now, my friends, we have a butterfly. Let's just all take a moment to absorb that. Isn't that stunningly beautiful? Now, when I say it's stunningly beautiful, I mean it's stunningly beautiful. You are getting extra pieces. You are getting 2 different body options, depending on which way you want that, with the shadow dies. You're also getting the big word hello. Now, let's look at these. Are you ready? And, oh, fun. The shadow dies on these, the inside dies, the layering dies, not the shadow, but the layering dies are dotted. Something a little different than the other ones, right? Now, let's jump in and look at this because are you ready for this? This is the part where your socks get knocked off. Let's open this. Oh, we're going to open it this way. Let's open. Oh, it's taped. Is it taped? It's taped for display. Bummer. Why is it taped all the way for display? Well, we can't open that one. We're not going to open that one. Let's move on and open a real one. Here we go. Ready, set, ta-da! There's the magic moment. Look at how beautiful this is. Ta-da! Don't you love it? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Let's get another one. Ooh, monarch butterflies. The orange, you know, this is one of those times where you love orange, right? No matter what. Look at this. Ta-da! Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning and so dang easy. Look at this. You could do it on a half card if you want to. Look at that. And it literally feels like the way the wing is flying, right? Newport flower in the background. Beautiful. Here's one. Oh, you make life beautiful with a little band. Are you ready? Let's open it up. And ta-da! Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so stunning. It's like, imagine sending this card to someone. They are just going to fall over, right? You're going to send this to someone and they're going to say, how in the world? This is beautiful. This is one of those cards they are going to leave out for months on their mantle or on their desk or things like that, because look at how beautiful that is. They're going to put it on their desk at work and people are going to walk by and say, wait, what? Make sure, my friends, you put your personalized stamp on the back, because they might want to buy some from you, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I have lots more samples. Let's jump in. Here are those eyelet butterflies on one of our doilies. This is doily number 1. Look at how beautiful that is. Hello there. Love it. Make your own backgrounds. You know I love that with the stamps. So pretty. Sheila made this one. Eyelet butterfly, just die cut. Look at how stunning it is. Popped up just a little tiny bit, making your own background paper with those words. Or you could make a flip it card. Dun, 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 dun. You know I love my flip its. Look at how gorgeous that is. Beautiful butterfly, cute one right here. Life is a journey, enjoy the flight. Isn't that beautiful? Moving on. Ooh, you could do a thank you fold it. I love it. Look at that with those cute little butterflies and a beautiful butterfly on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, let's look at this one. Oh, let's look at some beautiful butterflies, eyelet and regular together. So remember, you know, we need more than one kind of butterfly. We want to add those together. Here on a slimline, here on a regular card. The choice is yours. Here, if you want to be a little bit more simple, dun, 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 look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? A little bit more simple, but so beautiful, right? And let's see, here we have, let's look at the Dream Bigs. The Dream Bigs are fun. Now, don't forget, my friends, if you're a club member, get in on the bundle to save even more. That once it's gone, after 24 hours, it's gone. But you save even more, club members. Look at this. 3 different, the same die each time, all different. Let me see if I can find one of those other ones. Here, look at this. Look at that, you guys. Totally different each and every time you make it. Each and every time you make it, it's a different color. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, let's look at that Newport flower. Oh, here's another one. Whoops, we missed this one. Oh my goodness, look at this. The hidden gift card. Are you ready? Let's open it up. And there's a hidden gift card. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It pops up. Pops up. I love it. I love it. Now, I'm saving that one for last. Oh my goodness, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? This is with our Elegant Edge A2. Love it. So pretty. Ooh, here's another one. Very stunning. Just using our reverse corner. I talk about our reverse corner rectangles a lot, my friends, because every time you use them, it changes your card. You could make a card with regular rectangles and make the exact same card with the reverse corner, and it changes everything. It really, really does. Look how stunningly beautiful that is. Ooh, look at this one. Using our double plaid A2 background die and the Friends Forever dies. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. Now, here's another thing with our dies, my friends. I gave you the 2 sizes. The 2 dies that you have it where it doesn't cut the inside and where it does cut the inside and the shadow, right? I gave you 3 versions of this butterfly. Die cut the one that cuts it all out. Then the one that lines up perfectly, that is just the outline, die cut that and decorate that and put it behind it. And look at what you're gonna get. Look at how stunningly beautiful that is. It's just gorgeous, you guys. I love it. I am so excited about this. Now, here's that Newport flower again. Oh, and a sneak peek. Keep calm and pray on. Love that. There's our cute little bee on the inside. Love that. Now, are you ready for this one? Remember how I told you, oops, I have another one over here. Whoops, I have another one over here. Whoops, I have another one over here. Look at this. Ready? Okay. I don't know if I have words because, are you kidding? Is that the most gorgeous? Using the Newport flower die. Look at that, my friends. The real Newport flower die and the Newport flower background. Linda, beautiful. Look at the inside using, oh, so beautiful. Now, let's look at this one. Dream big, shine bright, and sparkle more. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's to your bright future. Look at that. I love that. That's also using the fox dies for that little tiny alphabet. Isn't that cute? Beautiful. And on our decollage card. I love it. Now, oh gosh, look at this one. What? Oh, the foil. You guys, let me tell you, the foil and the holographic paper change this. They literally change it to be a showstopper. I don't know what else to say. I'm almost speechless, which is very rare, isn't it? Here we go. Look at this one. But this is using the foil. And look at how beautiful that is. Look at that, my friends. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. You give that to a friend, they're going to fall over. But look at this one. I love this one. This is so pretty. This is using the double window card die. The double window card die and the Newport flower background. Look at that. Look at that. So the green part is the double window attached to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 rectangle. And look at that. You can see through it. I can see through it. Look, you can see through it. Isn't that stunning? She literally just glued that on top and boom, you can see it on the inside. Amazing. Now, club members, best news ever. You're getting the club discount on all of these items. But Stephanie, what if they're on flash sale? Oh, my friends, you're getting the flash sale and the club discount. Double discounts. Oh, but wait, Stephanie, what if they're in the bundle? Oh, wait a minute. Let's add up these discounts. Regular low price, flash sale price, bundle price, club price is what you pay. All of those discounts. So you're getting the flash sale discount, you're getting the bundle discount, and you're getting your club member discount. I am literally giving this to you pennies over my cost. Why? Because we like to treat our club members like their family. And I'm not going to charge my family a lot of money, right? No! They get it at my cost, because why would I do that? We're a big community at the Stamps of Life. If you're new to the Stamps of Life, I need you to know if you join one of our clubs, you're not necessarily a club member or a subscriber. I mean, technically you are, on paper you are, but in reality, you're a part of our family. And we're a small little business in Southern California. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Also check out the official fan page for the Stamps of Life on Facebook, where you can join our community of like-minded people, happy people, lovely people, nice, kind, caring people. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.